Guys, cryptos in general are currently crashing. Now, is Dogecoin headed up or down? We will be doing a technical analysis in today's video, so you're going to want to stick around until the end. We will be going over Dogecoin news and a lot of concerns that you guys have currently. What's up, guys? I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, you're going to want to do that in the top pinned comment. It's incredibly cheap, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I let you guys know when I'm buying at the dip so you guys can buy too. And I let you guys know when I'm ready to sell at the peak so that we can rake in big profits together, just as we have already. So congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, ringing the bell, smash that like button, and comment anything down below. Also, follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we reach 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. I also offer one-on-one consulting, portfolio building, and a lot of other awesome benefits. With all the massive FUD, greed and fear, and the fake news and market manipulation going on, we've seen Dogecoin go below 30 cents today. Now guys, I know you were shocked, however, it's okay, because with every massive dip like that, there's always going to be a huge bounce. And when we have that bounce, you want to be ready to sell. And that's what I let you guys know about. We did have a small bounce today after it hit below 30 cents. It then went right back up to 33 cents, and that's our new level of resistance right here. That little bounce is just a reminder that Dogecoin is very stable, and no matter how low it goes, it will always go right back up. And the volatility in the cryptocurrency market right now, because of its infancy stages, is a great reason to get in. And because of that volatility, it allows you that opportunity to get in at that dip and sell high, because it goes up and down so much. Just as I've told you guys in past videos, when Bitcoin goes down, the entire crypto market goes down as well. And when it goes up, the entire crypto market has a green day. A good indicator, as I'm watching the charts throughout the day, is focusing on Bitcoin's charts. That helps to give me a more accurate prediction of Dogecoin. Bitcoin is currently the largest cryptocurrency with over $1 trillion in market cap. It still has massive potential to grow even larger. Even with the regular stock market, Apple, Tesla, and other very large tech companies with a massive market cap, when they go down, you'll see the stock market as a whole go down as well. And same for when it goes up. Some huge news in crypto. MicroStrategy, yes, the company MicroStrategy is actually selling corporate bonds in order to buy more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy has one of the first CEOs to ever put Bitcoin on their balance sheet. The CEO even convinced Elon Musk to put Bitcoin on his balance sheet. Last year, the CEO put $1 billion into Bitcoin, but he continues to purchase Bitcoin. And like I said in the news, he's now selling corporate bonds in order to buy Bitcoin. That's huge. It's just a reminder how confident he is and how confident a CEO is in Bitcoin and Bitcoin's future. He knows what he's doing, because he purchased Bitcoin at 9,000 and then it went all the way up to 65,000, and he raked in his profits. The cool thing about it is it can cause a chain reaction, and it has already to cause other companies to do the same, causing Bitcoin's price to go up and causing the rest of the crypto market to go up. Because Bitcoin and other cryptos are on sale right now, yes, on discount, nearly half the price of their actual value, the CEO decided to borrow $400 million to buy more Bitcoin. With this, he is confident he will make money and be able to pay the loan back. Within 90 days, we have so many fundamental catalysts coming out for Dogecoin that I believe that Dogecoin will hit $1 just within the next few months. Let me know down below your thoughts, whether you think Dogecoin is headed up or down. We are currently in a massive bull run, but within that bull run, we can't just go straight up, we can't just go straight down. Because we've had so many green days, we have to have retracements and corrections, and that's currently the phase that we're in. It might be another month, but I believe it'll be less than that, of us trading sideways in a consolidation period before we have a huge breakout to the upside. It could be any second now that they break all-time highs, breaking resistance, and reach the peak that I'm comfortable selling at, so I can let you guys know that I'm selling on my Patreon, so you guys may do the same. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on the software that I use and my experience. So if you guys don't yet have a platform to trade on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description. And if you use that and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Be ready, guys, because you're gonna wake up one day with a massive green day and you're gonna wish you got in. You will wake up one day seeing Dogecoin above 50 cents, seeing Bitcoin above 40,000, and you don't want to have that FOMO. Still being in the infancy stages of crypto, you are very lucky to get in at this time. Because of the volatility, they move incredibly fast, rising very quickly, and you don't want it to rise past a certain point that it'll never go back down. That way you won't have the opportunity to buy cryptos at a discount. So back to what I was saying, the CEO of MicroStrategy went to MIT. He's an incredibly intelligent person. Do you think if he's buying $400 million worth of Bitcoin that he has the right path and that he will possibly double his money? Let me know your thoughts down below. I personally think it's an incredible investment. And of course, as long as he waits it out, he doesn't have paper hands and he has diamond hands, he will 100% make a profit. For example, this CEO is a whale. He is the perfect definition of a whale, a multi-millionaire who is an investor in the crypto market, and they know better than anybody which direction crypto is headed because they've got so much money in that these guys know all about market manipulation. They get together, they've got their own Discord, they've got their own chat, and they decide when to sell. They all sell before the little guys have a chance to. Then the little guys get scared because there's such a massive debt, they don't want to lose all their money, that they take their money out really quick. You don't want to be that person, and my trade alerts can save you from that loss. Ethereum has hit a low lower than Ethereum has ever hit in over 2 years, guys. This is a massive sign to get in during the dip. The whales are putting more money into Ethereum than ever. That bringing the market cap up, bringing Ethereum to new heights. The reason these whales are buying up cryptos at such a discounted price is because they know they're gonna 5x or 10x just by the end of this year. Guys, it is time to do a technical analysis on Dogecoin. And if you believe that Dogecoin is headed to the moon, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. When we put the Dogecoin chart at 1 day, we can see that it's forming a head and shoulders. We've got the head right here and one shoulder and the other shoulder. Guys, this is a very bearish symbol. And generally when we see this, we see it trending to the downside. This could cause Dogecoin to go all the way down to just 21 cents. And if it does that, you guys want to be ready with some cash on the side and my buy and sell trade alerts so you guys know as I'm watching the charts throughout the day when the time is to get in. If you get in at 21 cents, it could easily tripling your money within a very short period of time. If it does in fact make that move to the downside, you can expect to see a massive bounce harder than you've ever seen before. As we zoom out, it may appear bearish, but it is still bullish because when you look at it closely, you can see we have a bottom out right here, but it continues to go up with another bottom here, another bottom here, and an even higher bottom. This is trending upwards and we are still on our bull run. When the lows continually get higher, you must take note of that so that you realize that we still have a lot more green days in the future. And right here, we are seeing it bounce off that level of support and moving upwards with some green candlesticks. Now it could go down a little bit more, but I personally expect it to move upwards from here. Still seeing the lows getting higher is a sign of a healthy recovery. Also, don't forget guys, on June 9th, yes, 6/9, we have a massive event coming. What this means is you want to buy the rumor and sell the news. I'm going to let you guys know when the perfect time to sell Dogecoin is right before 6/9 hits so that we can all rake in our profits together. So guys, if you haven't yet joined my Patreon, it's in the top pinned comment and it's incredibly cheap and invaluable so that you can make a lot of money with us. Where I not only offer my buy and sell trade alerts, but also one-on-one consulting, portfolio building, and a lot more. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, ringing the bell, smash that like button, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.